In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a daily list in ClickUp using templates. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use daily setup in your workspace without building everything from scratch. First, head into your ClickUp workspace. Make sure you're in the correct space and location where you want this new list or folder to live. If you work with multiple spaces, it's helpful to glance at the left sidebar to confirm you're in the right place before creating anything, so the template lands exactly where you need it. Next, click the Create option, the one where you can create lists, folders, and other items. This opens the creation panel. You don't need to manually build a structure here. Instead, you'll pull from the library of ready-made setups. Now go to the Templates area. This is where ClickUp stores pre-built configurations for common workflows. Templates can include tasks, statuses, custom fields, and even views, so they save you a lot of time and give you a solid starting point. In the Templates section, use the search bar and type the word Daily. You'll see options tailored for daily planning, routines, or day-to-day task management. Pick any template that matches how you like to work, whether you want a lightweight daily checklist or a more detailed daily planner with categories and priorities. When you've found one you like, click Quick Use. This tells ClickUp to apply the template immediately into your current location, bringing in the structure, tasks, and fields included in that template without extra setup steps. It's a fast way to get going. Give it a moment to load. Depending on the size of the template and your connection, you might see a brief progress indicator. Avoid clicking around too quickly while it's importing to ensure everything is added correctly. Once it's in your workspace, edit and adjust it to fit your day. Rename the list or folder so it's clear and specific. Update task titles, descriptions, and due dates for today or this week. Assign tasks to yourself or teammates, tweak priorities, and remove anything you don't need. If the template includes statuses or custom fields, tailor them to match your workflow. Keep what helps, simplify what doesn't. You can also reorder tasks to reflect the sequence you plan to follow during your day. That's it. You've gone to your workspace, used the Create menu, opened Templates, searched for Daily, applied a template with quick use, waited for it to load, and then customized it so it works for you. Now you're ready to start your day with a clear, organized plan in ClickUp.